So Brian and I are getting ready here on day 3. My boat's here, but we look over this way and there is no boat for Brian. So last night we had a bunch of storms, the water came up quite a bit and actually took Brian's boat away. So Brian's gonna go cross river and find a road that way. I'm gonna go down river to the takeout and hopefully find his boat along the way. So Brian's gonna stay back for about a half hour in case I'm able to find it around this island. And after a half hour, he's gonna take off. This left chute down this island, yesterday I walked down the whole thing looking for a campsite and the water was extremely low. You couldn't even kayak through it, and today I don't think I'm gonna have any issues getting through it.
Oh, there it is. His boat is down there. That is freaking fantastic. Holy crap. I don't know. I'm gonna get out right here. His boat is down there.
I gotta get this off of here. That is the best news of the day. There's a sandbar I can get to down there, but I gotta go back and tell Brian, so that's what I'm doing right now. Oh, his boat is not gone, folks. It is not gone. This is like the boat that you can't lose. I'm okay with that. So this water's pretty swift. So walking through here isn't a whole lot of fun. I know it's not crazy deep because I walked it yesterday. I sort of know what's going on with it. I gotta tell you, I didn't think, I was really wondering if I would find it, and especially to find it that quick. That's amazing. That is amazing. Brian! I just told Brian his boat is down here, so he's gonna finish getting ready and he's gonna meet me down here. I'm gonna go down to it and see if I can assess and start cleaning it up for him. We actually came out here looking for it last night. Well, this morning at 2 o'clock in the morning when we found out it was missing. And we came pretty much to this area here, but it was pitch dark. We had flashlights. Couldn't see it last night. If we had gone just a little bit further, we would have seen it. If we got all the way around. So I'm gonna go down to this beach here on the left, straight across from it. Gonna go assess what we have over there before we start doing anything with it. I think everything's here. Not even that much water in it. His new camera mount? Look at that. The mount that has his camera hooked on here. The wire is what caught around this tree branch. That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Because this water is moving. That is just incredible. That is absolutely freaking incredible. That's incredible. Wow. His paddle's still here, his life jacket's still in there, his spray skirt, solar panel, it's all there. So that is a lesson learned. Pull the kayaks up, and the kayaks were completely out of the water. There was just a lot of rain last night, and the water rose probably 2.5, 3 feet. So yeah, pull your kayaks off or tether them down. I'm gonna tether, unless I'm up really high, I'm gonna start tethering my kayak down. And the kayak pretty well cleared out. For spending the night straight across there, attached to a branch, we really, I mean, there wasn't hardly any water in it at all. I had to get a little bit out, but not a lot. Did you get lucky? Holy crap. Your new camera, how you had it tethered, that snagged against a branch on the bank.
Held it?
And held it.
Ah, my tether's badass. Can you please take that?
That is the only reason it stayed.
My tether saves the day. You're kidding me.
No.
And it held all night.
It held all night. So it was from your mount to you had it tethered on whatever you had tethered on the kayak.
Yeah.
It just snagged around the branch. It didn't have a lot of water in it either.
Yeah, I did that. I did pump it out before. Well, that's twice now. You pressed it bad.
On the river, there tends to be many highs and lows. Going down a Class 3 rapid on the French Broad flawlessly and enjoying huge wave trains on the Greenbrier, definitely a high. Walking most of the 10 miles on the Mitchell and paddling nearly 30 miles the day after, definitely a low. Today though, at this time, finding Brian's kayak and being able to watch him paddle off, this is a high. With the water being up a little, we expected more current. Overall, the current was slow, but that was fine. We had our excitement for the trip. I was just going to enjoy the rest of the paddle. So this railroad bridge nearly marked the end. We now had less than a mile left to the takeout and the end of a 45-mile trip on the Rocky River. Every kayaking trip you go on is unique. There's always something that stands out. This trip, we endured unexpected torrential rain, a river rise, and a boat that refuses to stay put. We also enjoyed some fun rapids, and of course, a cursed island. As I go toward the shore for the takeout, I'm always excited. Not to leave the river, but excited for the journey we had just finished. Though not always as planned, this was another great journey.